Alright, we're doing a Serpentine belt on a 2012 Subaru Outback. All you'll need is a new belt and a 15mm. And you want to take a good look, pause it, or take a picture of this, the way the belt is going. It will be helpful later on. Alright, you're going to go ahead and take your 15mm. I'm using a pry bar. And you're going to want to push down, and you can see the pulley is right down there to the left. That's the one that will move and will adjust. You're going to want to tuck it right down underneath that fan on the right hand side. Very helpful. Holds it so you can go ahead and get this belt off, and that way you're not fighting with two hands. It's a nice little trick. It helped me out for this particular car. I'm going to go ahead and pull the old belt off. Yeah, this one was getting kind of cracked and was showing its wear. So you want to make sure you get your new belt. You can go back to the previous part of the video and look at the picture, or if you save one on your phone or something like that, would be very helpful here in seeing how you run this belt. Make sure you run it correctly. It's relatively easy to do. Please like and subscribe, guys. It really does help me out. Alright, after you fight with this belt for a little bit, get it back on, all set. Get your pry bar or your ratchet out of there. And there you go. Belt is all done. Alright guys, again, like, subscribe, hopefully this helps. Thanks.